Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dance Skiller! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skiller! You are watching Dancehall Skiller Entertainment. Hey, yo, Skiller!
I'm comfortable with the uncomfortable life, people. And all I not circle a video about how police can me Ghana jail and all these things. First and foremost, if police carry me Ghana jail, where they handcuff them there? If people they put me out, where the bag there, where the garbage bag, the ladder bag, where the bag there when I move out with. I saw the one I love when I have a big stinking mouth. Everybody catch. If I am at a house, you live in a you catch. If I'm a job here, you catch. Everybody catch. Someone know roll and I care.
No. I don't remember the time when this girl get in a fight and them bust this girl head as what them said. You see what I say? No, she said that the video is a long time and the fight never happened. However, during the video when she explain it, you see what I say? You can see which part the head the bust. You see it? So now that, the scar there, you know. So now that you see the scar and she tell you say nothing no go so. You see what I say? What, this one that she's explaining now, what we believe? Me, now call no one a liar, you know. And believe me, to be honest, I think I believe a lot of things what she said. You see me? Even when she said her face no bust up. Because really, her face didn't bust, to be honest. You see me? And Mackerel, me hear the social media, especially people on my channel, say that you have a lot of enemies. Who don't? You see me? So what I want you to do is just hold your head up, Mackerel, and big up yourself. You see me I say? You don't know anything go for any spotlight, your name go call like wow. You see me I say? So big up yourself, Mackerel. Right now you are the newest, well talked about person right now, me see her on social media. You see me I say? So big up yourself, man. That's how people stay. People love things for your pan. You see me? Anyways, if you're new to the channel and you know the thing set and you want to know the thing for go, or if you want to know what one, you have to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments below, let me know what you think, and as always, you don't know, keep it clean because it's a family friendly site, you know. My name is Skiller, and this way just say a Dancehall Skiller Entertainment.
Hey my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall Skiller!
Yeah, man.
Hey yo, Skiller!
You are watching Dancehall Skiller Entertainment.